Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Today I am joined by the lovely Natalie.
Yay! I'm here with everybody. I'm so excited to see you guys today.
How have you been doing?
I've been doing really well.
Yeah?
I've been working a lot. We're actually working on projects that don't come out until September and October right now.
Oh wow.
And I'll give you a little hint. So we're going to be doing some memory projects. So I've been sewing on ties and shirts and all kinds of fun things.
Oh, fun. You want to know what? I actually just saw a comment the other day asking us if we had any patterns specifically for men's ties.
We do not.
We should make
still
one.
Won't.
Oh. Well, that's unfortunate.
My ideas are more around just the creative use of using everything that you have at your disposal.
Mm-hmm.
And so I take the ties and I use both ends and I cut them up and surround a little block. And, you know, there's just a lot of things that you can do with anybody's old clothes or memories or, you know, that kind of stuff. It's really fun for me to try and incorporate it.
Yeah. And it's always really cool too, because I actually just had a meeting with my boss the other day. And she was telling me how she was looking through all of her old shirts and jerseys from like her softball days. And
yes.
And so we started talking about like memory quilts and I suggested this to her.
You have a bunch of shirts saved, but your mom, the t-shirt quilting queen, has still not made your quilt.
Hey, it's okay.
That?
No, I haven't. But if it makes you feel any better, I also haven't made any of my own memory quilts, and I know I could.
You don't have to. That's your mom's job.
I'm just lazy about it, I guess.
You're fine.
Fusible is what I was going to say. Definitely be sure you have some fusible if you're going to be doing a memory quilt.
It makes a big difference because fabrics can be very stretchy.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's not to say that you can't make a shirt without stabilizer. Lots of people do it. I just prefer it because it helps me keep everything square.
Yeah.
It's a lot less stressful for me personally.
Yes. And honestly, quilting is meant to be nice and lovely and fun. And sometimes if you're making a quilt and it's just stressing you out, the last thing you're having is fun.
Right. That's true.
That's when you got to take a break and step back and get yourself an Ella Jane soda.
Hey, I got a good one today. So we're at the fabric market and we have Ella Jane's here, and my soda is so cool. It's it's called the Yardage Collector. It starts with a base of Dr. Pepper, and then it's got like peach and vanilla and cream in it.
Yep.
So good.
And I have one as well. Mine is the Drunkard's Path. Here, if you want to show them.
They basically look identical.
They do kind of
very different insides, though.
Yes, they do.
Like me and you.
Well,
we look really similar.
We do.
We're very different.
Yes. I have the Drunkard's Path, which is a root beer base with a doctor. Cream and butterscotch. So it tastes a little bit like almost like butter beer. Yeah, it does. I like it a lot.
So tasty.
We are sitting in the patio outside of Ella Jane's.
I know. I feel like this is just a secret. It's the best kept secret in town. Nobody knows it's here.
I know. I love it. I need to come and work here. Like I should bring Sadie with me.
Yes,
and we should just sit out here.
It's very peaceful, very quiet. We have beautiful like sunshades and lots of tables.
Let me show you guys.
It's a great place to just relax with your friends. Look over all the fun stuff that you picked up and talk about your projects and what you're going to do with the rest of your day.
Yeah. A little place to come sit after your shopping is done. Yeah.
Reset zone.
Or maybe like a halfway point.
Nice. It is hot. I will say it was 90 degrees at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
It's very, very warm here in Hamilton today.
We've had nicer days lately, but there are definitely still some pretty hot days.
Summer in Missouri is usually tempered by thunderstorms.
Yeah.
And so if the humidity gets really high and hot and heavy, then eventually we will have a storm that'll kind of like wash it out and it makes it feel better, but can be brutal. And we're not even halfway through. We've got at least another 6 to 8 weeks of hot weather.
Yeah.
So
that is a scary thought to have.
It's okay because before you know it, fall and winter will be here and we'll be wishing for some sunshine.
I know. I actually thought about that the other day. I was laying outside with Sadie and I just was like, man, I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for that beautiful weather. And then I was like, I'm gonna miss sitting outside though when winter hits.
Yeah. Well, speaking of fall and winter, we are celebrating Christmas in July.
We are.
We do that kind of fun thing with our themes and our preparation. And, being a retail company, the whole calendar world is different, right? Because we have to try and prepare for things so much in advance so that the people who shop from us can actually have time to complete those projects.
Yes.
So
have you been making any Christmas projects?
I have not, because I am an ultimate procrastinator. I feel like I do my very best work at the very last minute.
That's who I get it from.
It's absolutely not accurate, but that is pretty much how I roll. But no, I did do a really cool tutorial that's coming out this Friday, and I'm calling it, what did I call it? Savor the Moment
cloth napkins, placemat, table runner tutorial. There's lots of...
So we have this really beautiful batik line, and I got a fat quarter bundle of it, and I was able to make napkins. I made 4 because that's just like your standard
family
small amount.
Yeah.
And then you can build on it from there. And then we made a table runner for the middle of the table and placemats. And I just kind of went through some fun little things. I used rickrack and chenille it and did some embellishing. I think it turned out really cute.
I'm excited to see it.
I would love to say that I'm making them for all my kids, but I'm not quite that ambitious, I guess.
So what you're saying is they're just for me?
Oh, right. Only Hannah gets a set.
Oh,
No. No, what I'm saying is I have really good ideas and really good intentions, but I have not started my Christmas sewing yet. So no, I'm not ready.
That's okay. That's super fair.
I have a list a mile long, though. There's so many cute things that you could make.
There are, yes. And there's plenty of time. So you're still okay. You're still good.
Well, I still have I have zipper pouches that I love to make and little scrunchies. I thought it would be so cute to just make some of those because you can make them out of whatever fabric people love.
Yeah. And then they'll be like, yes, I love them. They'll be personalized.
One of the things I want to do. So, I mean, obviously you get to know this ahead of time, but I'm taking my kids to the beach in a few weeks. And I was thinking about getting those sand cloud type towels, the Turkish linen ones, because they shake off the sand so easy.
Yes.
And I thought it would be really cute to look up and print out a little monogram of each person's initials. So they would know for sure that this is my towel and it has my initials on it, and each person would get their own.
That would be awesome. So that is such a cute idea.
That is on my plan. I've got to get it done in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck, girl. Well, and this week,
I will.
We also, for Christmas in July, have Jenny's Jenny's Advent Christmas box.
Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Some of the stuff that she has curated over the years has been my favorite things.
Yes.
So this year, because Mom is out of town, I think all of us are going to be her elves and help do some of the unboxing videos. So I'm pretty excited about that.
I love that.
That's going to be fun.
And you can
We might be able to get you to do one too.
Oh, that might be scary. I don't know if they want to see this.
Pre-sale is on right now, and pre-sale is super important because that helps us to know how many of all the things that we need to order and get them ready well in advance so that they can be shipped out and to your door before December 1st.
Mm-hmm. And it is, we have the sale going now through the 31st.
Nice.
And if you are ready to make your second payment, you have until, and I'm so sorry if this is wrong, but you have until September 1st is what I am remembering to make your second payment. If you are worried about it, if you can't figure it out, feel free to give us a call, and our customer service is amazing and they'd love to help.
Perfect. That sounds awesome. That is true. The customer service team will help you with anything they can, and they will do it with a smile.
Yeah, they're a lovely team. I love them.
They do a great job.
So what do you have going on for this week? I know that there's a retreat happening.
We do have a retreat. Doan Girls Retreat is in town this week. And this year I'm teaching one of my very favorite quilts. It's the Briar Patch quilt.
Oh, fun.
It's one of my favorites. So it's very simple. You use the simple wedge and then you make the little block and cut it up and rearrange it. And it's just so cute and easy. I think everybody is amazed when they take the little class and learn how easy it is.
Yeah.
So, and that being said, if you guys, if you have a guild or a group that wants me to come teach, just hit me up at Rachel Perry. Do info at MissouriQuiltCo.com, and then they'll get it to the right person, and I'll come and teach at your guild. I'd love to do that.
That would be a lot of
spend
fun.
some time with you guys.
Yes, that'd be so much fun to go out and see.
I
like,
have
other
a couple in August. I think one in October maybe that just requested. So we'll see how it all goes. I'm excited to get out there. I've only done a couple of them so far, but
well, if you need a Ron to your Jenny to hold your quilts, I've been working out lately, and I've got some good shoulders now.
I've seen those muscles. You really are. You're doing a great job, honey.
Oh, thank you. Anyway, so we also have, speaking of, hot weather, Christmas in July, the October.
Doan Girls Retreat.
Yep, all the things are happening. Another thing that's coming up is Birthday Bash.
Birthday Bash is going to be so fun. I love the theme.
Excited.
I've got my boots. I've got a hat.
And you're bringing
I've got a cute little snappy not t-shirt, a button-down plaid shirt with the little Western. It's so cute.
Oh, like a flannel?
No, it's not a flannel. It's cotton, but it's a Western style shirt. So it has like the little things here and the
cute
snaps. They're like opal snaps, I think, something like that.
Yes. Oh, those are cute.
I'm thinking about making myself a denim skirt. I got to find a big belt.
That's going to be amazing.
But our swag is so good.
Yes, I can't wait to see the swag, honestly. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm excited.
Me too.
I am just thinking about, like, you were talking about your costume, and I was like, oh, what am I going to wear? Chuck.
You're Chuck. Yes, you are. But you know what? I think Chuck needs a hat and a bandana.
I know.
And I think we should try and figure that out.
I know. That's what I was kind of thinking. We got to figure out how to,
I have ideas. I will talk to you later.
Ooh,
okay.
All right.
I know where we can find a foam hat.
Oh no! Wait, I know what you're talking about.
Yes,
how would that fit on him? It's so little
on his head. It's gonna be so good.
Oh man, we'll have to see. We'll have to figure out Chuck's costume.
Oh yes, I'm gonna make him the biggest, cutest bandana that he ever did see.
All right. So we also have the Magic Garden Balm.
Oh, yes. And how is everybody loving the Magic Garden? I think it's so beautiful.
I think I've
seen a bunch of different fabrics come in, and man,
the variations
just look so beautiful.
The variations are always so amazing to see. It's one of my favorite things about being a part of the Balm group is just seeing everybody's their own take on it.
I love how in our Balm, we mix and matched colors so that it made this really beautiful secondary pattern. But I also love that once you know how to make one of those blocks, you're good to go for the whole quilt. You're doing repetitive piecing and block making. And so it's going to come together really easy, and it just looks so cool.
It does. It's a beautiful quilt. It's a gorgeous Balm.
Yeah.
The Magic Garden Balm is having a little spin-off called Good Tidings.
Interesting.
The Magic Garden
we have
Balm,
a kit in holiday fabrics?
We do. I believe it's in holiday fabrics. I believe it's holiday fabrics. I will have to double check on that, but
it sounds a little Christmassy is all I'm saying.
Yeah, it definitely is Christmassy for sure. All right. So definitely be sure to check that out because it's a beautiful quilt. It's so gorgeous.
Yes. Okay. Well, I think a lot of our retreats, our retreat space is filled up throughout the year, but there's a few open in October. We have a couple of ladies coming to town to teach classes, one from Primitive something or another.
Yes, Missy Carpenter of Traditional Primitives will be teaching the Remembering Martha table runner using the English paper piecing starch method.
Oh, nice.
And she will be here October 7th through the 10th.
Okay.
We also have Julie
English paper
Porty.
Piecing. I was just talking talking to one of my coworkers this morning in a meeting, and I said, I haven't completed an English paper pieced project yet. I have made individual blocks or little things that I've stitched together, but I have never actually completed a full quilt of English paper piecing.
English paper piecing is hard. There's a lot
very
of
time consuming. And so I'd love to see her method because part of the part that's so time consuming is the prep. You've got to cut several of the shapes and then press the fabric after you fussy cut it all and make sure it's all right.
Yeah, it'll be really interesting to see her teach the starch method. Yeah. I'm very curious.
Yes. So I'm thinking with starch, it probably doesn't use papers. But maybe
Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe not.
We
I
shall
guess
see.
we'll find out.
Yes, we will.
All right. So we also have Julie Porter of Farmhouse Cottons,
Nice.
who will be teaching her pattern Pumpkin Palace that was designed specifically for this retreat on the 20th of October to the 24th of October this year.
That's great. That sounds really cute.
I know. I can't wait to see the little Pumpkin Palace. I am a sucker for fall.
And
a huge
cute little table runners.
And for table runners and for pumpkins. And so I'm kind of curious. I want to see what her pattern is going to look like.
So I have to confess, last night I was having this thought process where I was just rolling around in my head. I always like overthink things before I speak them into existence. And I was thinking about how it would be to make a tablecloth that had a table runner like built into the middle of it, basically like a pieced backing.
Yeah.
That you would just finish. And so I was thinking about different ways to finish the back. I don't necessarily want the table runner quilted if it's part of the tablecloth, but I don't necessarily think a tablecloth should be thick and heavy like a quilt. So I've been kind of rolling it around in my head and thinking about that.
That's really interesting. You know, you could make a table runner, get it quilted, get it trimmed up, and then instead of adding binding, you could add you could
just add fabric on both sides. Make the table runner long enough that it's like the same length as your tablecloth,
and then you could add a little binding
and then
around.
I've been wanting to do Prairie Points.
Oh,
I haven't done them forever because they kind of went off trend a little bit. But, and nobody's really doing that, but I've been thinking they would be so cute. And the other thing that I want to do, we have some amazing embroidery patterns, like our little spooky kit, and then there's other fall ones, and they're so cute. And we have all those really cute templates that I can cut things out with wool or felt.
Yes.
And so I'm just like thinking about how the wool would probably add a little bit of weight to the tablecloth, might make it stay where it's supposed to. And the Prairie Points would be so cute.
They would be
I don't
so
know. I
cute.
have more ideas than I have time for.
That's fair.
That's what I woke up thinking about.
Well, I mean, when the creativity hits, it hits,
That's right.
So I did look it up really quick for you guys. And yes, the Magic Garden Good Tidings kit is Christmas themed.
Yes, it sounds so cute.
Which I feel like, considering that it's called Good Tidings, and I've seen this, it's not like this is a new bomb for me.
I know.
I should have known that it was Christmas for sure, but I wasn't sure.
It's funny how your mind will just like blank out when you're trying to talk about something and you're like, you want to be sure that you get the information correct, and then all of a sudden it's all gone.
Yeah, it's just like, well, you did know this, but now you don't. Sorry.
That's right. That's right.
Try again in a couple of minutes.
Yeah, good luck.
Refresh the page.
That's my problem, though. If I refresh the page, all that information is gone. I got to keep all my bookmarks and all my tabs open all the time.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Well,
tech.
Yeah. Brains.
No kidding.
But yeah, I think, honestly, that might be it for this week.
Well, my garden has started producing like crazy.
Oh, yes.
I have cucumbers like you would not believe, and tomatoes and peppers. If you want jalapenos, I could give you a whole bowl full.
That is honestly okay. I'll take jalapeno poppers.
Hey, we should make some of those.
We should. Those would be really good.
That would be awesome. That
would actually be a lot of fun.
Yes.
But yeah.
So exciting.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us.
Yeah. I hope everybody has a great week. Try to stay cool. Have a great summer. See you next fall. All that jazz. Bye.